again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Qwest 20 Lanai. It's a great sporty boat, really cool looking interior. It is in Mantis and Frost, has the black rail package, and this great look continues to the inside. Come on aboard and take a peek. So as you first get on board, you notice the light interior. There's some really cool diamond weave pattern here as well. This is a brand new seating setup from Qwest this year. They do make all of their own seating in-house, so it's really well made, looks really, really sharp. As we work ourselves a little ways back, we get to the captain's seat, you know, the most important seat on the boat. We notice the Clarion Bluetooth stereo system that is a 4-speaker system. We also see Garmin's new digital dash system that does everything from your motor data and hours used all the way through your fish finder, your water depths, your water temperature. So a really cool gauge package here. We also have ScanStrut cell phone charger for the captain, so if you want to charge your phone while you're using that stereo, really nice there. And we also have a Suzuki control box here for any Suzuki between 9.9 horsepower and all the way up to 90. So if you're looking to cruise nice and slow, we have you covered. And if you're looking to pull that tube with the 90, really nice feature. Finally, I want to get to this back of the boat. It's a really great space back here to relax, swim off of, and enjoy. As you can see, there's a nice bench here. Fits 2 or 3 people that can watch everyone off the back cruising. We have a ladder. With anything we sell at the Charles Mill Marina, we do include a full safety package, a full tank of gas, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and an on-water lesson to make sure you're ready to go. If you think this is the boat for you, you can call us or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.